Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Hey researchers, are you struggling to find reliable academic papers, summarize complex research, or structure your academic writing efficiently? Okay. Meet Grok 3, the AI that's revolutionizing academic research. Grok 3 enables students, researchers, and academics to find, summarize, and analyze information faster than ever before. So, in this tutorial, we will learn how it works, highlight its key features, and explain why it's an essential ability for research professionals. Let's start. Okay. First, open your web browser and type Grok AI into the search bar. Now, click on the link, which will take you to the official website. Once there, you will see the main interface of Grok AI, featuring the recently launched Grok AI model. Okay. To begin with academic research using Grok 3. Okay. Select the deep search option. Let's assume we are conducting academic research and ask Grok AI to write a literature review on the impact of social media on youth. We will specify that the review should cite 10 recent studies from top academic journals, with all citations and references formatted in a PA 7th edition style. Okay. Now, the parameters are set. Press Enter. Grok AI will then begin processing the request. The process follows a systematic, step-by-step approach. It's start by structure of the literature review. It identifies relevant studies and compiles a list of potential sources. It selects the most relevant studies for the review. Okay. Finally, it refines the selection to ensure accuracy and relevance. During this process, Grok AI explored different web pages, all of which are accessible with a single click. You can even access any academic paper directly by clicking on it. This systematic approach makes Grok AI an excellent ability for researchers, significantly expediting the academic research process compared to another AI abilities on the web. Grok 3 stands out for its precision and efficiency. Once the process is complete, you can see a comprehensive literature review on your chosen topic. The review includes recent studies from top academic journals and concludes with a summarizing the analyzed studies. Okay. Next, let's suppose I have a lengthy academic paper that we want to read and analyze using Grok 3. Okay. The process begins by uploading the paper to the platform. Once the document is uploaded, Grok provides various interactive features to engage with the content effectively. Okay. The first step is summarizing the paper. Grok 3 processes the document and generate the comprehensive summary by extracting key information. This feature saves a considerable amount of time compared to manually reading and summarizing the entire paper. So, next, we can ask Grok 3 to highlight the key takeaways from the document. It might extract the key points summarizing the main findings. findings, or insights, allowing us to quickly, the most important aspects, without delving into every detail. By leveraging Grok, we can upload academic papers and extract specific information, significantly expediting the academic reading process. This ability enhances our interaction with papers, making it easier to understand and analyze complex research in greater depth. So, Grok 3 is the powerful tool for the researchers, streamlining academic work and enhancing productivity. Share your experience in comment box. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.